Kia Niro infotainment systems can freeze or show a black screen due to software issues, overheating, or electrical faults. There are two main reset types, a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a soft reset that restarts the system without data loss. To reboot, hold the power button for 10 seconds until the screen turns off, then release and restart. A factory reset is a hard reset that wipes all user data and settings, restoring the system to its default state. For 2020 plus models, press and hold the volume up, volume down, and power buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen reboots, then confirm the reset. Remember to back up any important data before performing a factory reset, as it will erase all personal settings, paired devices, and downloaded apps. If a reboot doesn't fix a black screen, try a factory reset. A black screen can indicate a faulty HDMI or display module, requiring professional repair. Some users have success disconnecting the car's battery for 30 minutes to reset the system. Kia issues over-the-air updates to address black screen freezes, especially in 2020-2022 models. Ensure your Niro has the latest firmware. If problems persist after resets and updates, visit a Kia dealership for diagnosis and repair. Manual resets are workarounds, not permanent solutions, and hardware failures require dealership intervention. Performing resets incorrectly could void your warranty, so proceed with caution.